Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix archived stories missing or not working on Instagram. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap the three horizontal lines at the top right and select Archive. At the top you'll see Post Archive. Tap it and change it to Stories to view all your archived stories. If your stories still don't appear, you need to check your settings. Go back to your settings. Go to the App and Media section, then tap on Archiving and Downloading. Make sure the Save Story to Archive option is turned on. This ensures your stories are stored in your archive. If they are still missing, try troubleshooting. Go back to the same settings, toggle off Save Story to Archive, wait about 10 seconds, then toggle it back on. Now return to your archive to see if your stories reappear. So that's basically how you can fix archived stories missing or not working on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.